Did you know that you can start making money just from posting short reels on Instagram? Hi, my name is Marcella, and I am your digital marketing bestie. And yes, I said digital marketing. Girl, we can start making money just from capitalizing on our talents, on stuff that we are passionate about. Okay, but let me teach you, let me show you, let me get you on the secret. So this is called digital marketing. Oh, I'm looking up here. Should be looking right here. This is called digital marketing. Now, what digital marketing is, you are basically capitalizing on your passions and stuff like that, and you are teaching people in a certain niche that has a problem, and you're solving that problem with a digital product. Then you are going to promote it on your social medias like Instagram and TikTok and so on and so forth, and lead them to your digital product in the link in your bio. But I'm going to go by this step by step. So the first thing that you're going to do is find your niche. This can be anything, okay? I don't want you guys, I think a misconception in the digital marketing space is that a lot of you guys think that you just have to do digital marketing as your niche. Like you just have to resell the MRR courses and stuff like that, which is not true. The MRR courses or the affiliate courses that teach you everything that you need, which you don't even have to buy. Like you can literally go on YouTube and watch videos like this and like learn. I think the misconception with digital marketing is that people who are new into the space think that like their niche should be digital marketing. Like they just absolutely have to resell the MRR course, because that's how people market MRR courses sometimes. That like it's resellable, it's MRR, it has MRR rights, so you can buy it, resell it, and so on and so forth, which is not true. Like you can pick a niche that you are passionate about. This can be fitness and, manifestation and, mental health. Second thing that you're going to want to do is find your problem, okay? Find the problem within that niche that you just picked, okay? And find a problem that people are having trouble with, want to learn. So like if, say for instance, you picked the niche of fitness, and one of the problems within fitness is that girls want to know how to find their caloric deficit, want to know how to grow their glutes by the summer. Like honestly, they want to get their body T, their booty right, looking like a BBL, but natural by the summer. So you create a digital product that solves that problem by explaining, or like an ebook, like this will be in the form of an ebook. You create an ebook that explains different workouts, how to find your caloric deficit, and so on and so forth. And things that work for you could be working for them too. And you will demonstrate it in your ebook. That is a digital product. Now, that was like the third thing, like you're solving that problem. Then you are going to want to put it into your link in bio. I have two that I would absolutely positively tell you to go get. There's one, Stand Store, which I use on a daily. Like this is something that I really love to use, because honestly it makes everything so much easier, but it is paid and stuff like that. So I don't know if you would be up for that, but a free version, and to keep it low cost, is Beacons. I will, put down both links down below, but there's others that you would like to, but those are the two top ones that I'd be seeing a lot of people in this space have. Okay, I do not think that you should do Linktree. Absolutely not. But also you can do Shopify. I've seen a lot of you guys doing Shopify for your digital marketing. So there's that. I'll put a link down below as well. Okay. Then you are going to want to promote on your social medias, okay? This can be TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, and Threads, by the way. Threads is that girl when you want to promote your digital products to people. Most of my sales come from Threads, which is crazy, because there's you can post videos on there, but I would suggest that you just post stuff that you would on Twitter. I treat Threads like it's my new Twitter. Yeah, But anyways, another thing that I want to like, which goes for like the promoting, I want to make this clear. Do not, and I mean do not, do the following. Don't just post about your, digital product in every video. Like, of course, like I will say like promote, but also, attract your tribe. Be yourself. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to put yourself into a box. I say to find a niche for your digital products, for your business, but for your content, do not put yourself into a box, okay? Like, you want to post relatable and informational. Post things that like people can see you for you and trust you, because at the end of the day, people will not buy from you solely because of what your product will do for them. They will buy from you because they trust you. So attract your tribe. I learned this in DWA and it has changed my life for the better. Okay? And then the last thing that you're going to want to do is set up your automations. I suggest using like mini chats, but I know that like StanStore, I don't know about Beacons, but like StanStore, they use like this auto DM system so that you can set it up all up in the same app and stuff like that. I haven't tried it. I usually use like mini chats because I trust it and it's been in my business since the very beginning. But what an automation will do is that like if you were to ask your audience, like say for instance, I know you've heard this before, but say for instance, they ask you to comment down below digital, and I will send it right over to you. You comment down that word digital, or like your audience will comment down that word digital, and your automations is not you, it's your automations. And this is why I say this is so easy. Your automations will just send it over to their DMs without you having to lift a finger. And they will press the link, they will buy, and so on and so forth. And that's how you get paid. And honestly, that's why a lot of you guys be hearing us say that like it only takes like 2 to 3 hours on your business, because honestly, once you get your automation set up and once you like get everything like going, then all you have to do is just post, But I will not be on here telling you that like it takes you 1 to 2 hours, because honestly, it really doesn't, because of the fact that like this is a business. You have to remember that at the end of the day, this is a business. This is an online business. This is something that could potentially get you out of that 9-to-5 life and could potentially make you a millionaire. So you want to treat this as such, okay? Sure, like it just takes you like, making content, but like you have to plan that content. You have to like edit that content. You have to get in front of a camera and record that content and like actually like, see what works, see what doesn't, and so on and so forth. And I also want you to always remember that like you cannot compare. Stop comparing your experiences to someone else's. Okay, your chapter 1 is not going to be somebody's chapter 11, like 10 or 50. You know what I'm saying? Like they have done their P's and Q's in the beginning. It is time for you to do your P's and Q's. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope this was very much helpful for you. I keep on looking at myself, but like I did a very good job. Like honestly, this is the longest I've ever looked at a camera like this without like really, but yeah. Like you could really make a bag, and like this could potentially make you like 10 to 20 to even 100K a month just from doing this. And all you have to do is just promote it on social medias. Get as many eyes on you as possible. And if you want extra help, I have just the thing for you. Watch this video or go down in the link in my bio and I will send over just the way that I learned and many others have learned. Thank you. Bye.
When you see me, know I'm in my bag. My whip